Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock GLoan in GCash. So simply we are inside the official article on can I apply for a GLoan. Now GCash or GLoan is a pre-approved loan offered to selected users, allowing you to basically borrow money and receive your loan in GCash wallet within 24 hours. Now, how can you be qualified for the GLoan? Right here. Now you may be eligible for GLoan if you are 21 to 65 years old, and if you are a fully verified GCash user, now you can simply be qualified for this service. If you are using other GCash services, now take note that GCash offers and approvals are subject to evaluation and are not guaranteed even if you fulfill the minimum requirements above. Now, how can you know if you're simply qualified? You want to head over to the GCash dashboard, click on the borrow and click on GLoan. From there, you'll be able to see this tab on which you can then proceed with your loan right here. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.